In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Trello, offering easy to follow instructions to ensure your account remains secure. Whether you're seasoned in using Trello or just getting started, changing your password periodically is a great habit to maintain your online safety. Let's begin by heading over to Trello.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll see the login option. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. Here, Trello provides a couple of options to log in. You can choose to either enter your email associated with your Trello account, or for convenience, log in with your Google account details. Once you've entered your credentials or selected your Google account, hit the login button. You should then find yourself on your Trello dashboard, where you can manage your projects and boards with ease. Now, our next step requires a bit of navigation. Look once more to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your account icon, which is usually represented by your profile picture or initials. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select Manage Account. Clicking this option will lead us to a new page where further account settings are housed. Once on this page, we want to shift our focus to the sidebar, where options like Profile and Security are listed. As we are dealing with changing a password today, click on Security. This is where all the protective measures related to your Trello account are found. Now comes a crucial step. To ensure that your account has not been compromised, you'll need to first enter your current password. This step is important because it confirms that you are indeed the authorized user. After you've entered your current password, direct your attention to the section prompting you for a new password. In creating a new password, consider using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Creating a strong password can significantly enhance your account's security. Once you're satisfied with your new password, enter it in the respective field and click on Save Changes. It's as simple as that. You've now successfully changed your password in Trello. Remember to store your new password in a secure place if you're likely to forget it. Regularly updating your passwords and employing these steps can safeguard you against potential breaches, keeping your information private and your projects protected. Thank you for watching, and feel free to ask questions in the comments below if any part of this process needs further clarification.